Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Micah, and today we're going to be making bacon wrapped asparagus, and it's super easy to make. Let's get started. After washing the asparagus, the next step is cutting the tips, just because a lot of times the tips are just a little too hard to eat. So I'm just gonna cut the tips on some of them, and I'm gonna have the asparagus in groups of 4. To cook the bacon wrapped asparagus, you're gonna need to preheat the oven to 400 degrees, and I cook it for just sometime in between 10 to 15 minutes, just until the bacon is crispy enough and the asparagus is thoroughly cooked. Before I wrap the asparagus with the bacon, first I'm just gonna season it a little with some olive oil and just mix that around some. Some salt. Black pepper, garlic powder, and adobo. And just mix that all around really well. Before putting the asparagus on the pan, I'm just going to get some aluminum foil and just spread that across the entire pan. So this can help catch the bacon grease and be non-stick while it's baking in the oven. I'm going to divide the asparagus in 4s as I lay them on the pan. Now it's time to wrap the bacon around the asparagus. So I'm just gonna get the strips of bacon. Get the asparagus, make sure it's all even, and wrap it around. While the oven is preheating and while the asparagus is baking, I'm just gonna go ahead and chop up some cilantro. Just thought I'd add an extra flavor and be a nice garnishment for the dish. Now the asparagus is ready to put in the oven. Just gonna go ahead and put this in there and leave it baking for about 10 to 15 minutes, depending on the crispiness of the bacon. I decided to let it cook for actually 20 minutes. It took a lot longer for the bacon to get crispy and for the asparagus to be thoroughly cooked, but the asparagus very cooked and the bacon is extremely crispy. Just look at that. Delish. Now let me just add this to the plate. Bring out some of that oil. Now I'm just gonna add cilantro that I cut earlier as a little garnish on the asparagus. And there's your asparagus wrapped bacon. Bacon wrapped asparagus.